Hey everyone, if your Victorola record player isn't playing any sound, don't worry, I'll show you simple troubleshooting steps to get your music playing again. Let's fix it. If your record player has a built-in speaker, test with external speakers to rule out speaker issues. Confirm the volume is turned up, the correct input mode, phono is selected and the aux input is empty. Make sure the stylus is clean, correctly aligned and undamaged. Replace it if needed. On vintage models, playing vinyl will have a awful sound. The record player should only play Shellac 78 RPM records. Why Victorola record player not playing sound? No sound. The incorrect input might be selected like Bluetooth instead of phono. The volume could be too low or nothing might be plugged into the aux input. The stylus might be dirty, misaligned or damaged. Vintage model needs steel needles replaced for each play. You might be playing the wrong type of record. The image indicates that vintage record players will not play vinyl. The machine requires Shellac 78 RPM record. On vintage wind-up models, failure to release the brake will prevent sound from playing. Fix 1. Check speed. Check that the turntable is spinning at the correct speed for your record type. For vintage models, adjust the silver dial, usually at the 7 o'clock position, to fine-tune the speed. For modern models, use the speed knob to select the correct speed, 33 1 by 345 or 78 RPM for your record. Fix 2. Check input settings. Make sure nothing is plugged into the aux or RCA input jack, as this will mute the turntable sound. Verify the player isn't in Bluetooth mode, which would prevent sound from turntable. Ensure the player is set to phono mode for proper turntable operation. Fix 3. Try a different record. To rule out the vinyl itself, play another record known to be in a good condition. If you can hear now, the first record may be damaged or dirty. Fix 4. Clean your record. Dust and dirt in the record grooves can cause distortion. Clean your record using a record cleaning brush or a specialized record cleaning solution and microfiber cloth. Use a clean, lint-free cloth to gently remove dust from your record player on a regular basis. Make sure no dust is coating the needle, stylus, or inside parts. A stylus brush can help clean the needle by brushing from back to front. Fix 5. Use the correct record and needle. Only for vintage wind-up Victorola phonographs. Only play 78 RPM shellac record on vintage wind-up Victorola. Using modern vinyl records can damage both the record and the machine. Replace the steel needle after every play to avoid damage to record and the sound box. Fix 6. Replace the stylus. If the skipping continues, the stylus might be defective even on a new unit. Replacing the stylus is a simple solution. Locate the stylus housing at the end of the turn arm. Gently remove the old stylus, usually by pulling it straight out or following the specific instructions for your model. Align and insert the new stylus, pressing it in until it clicks or sits securely in place. Fix 7. Speaker solution. If built-in speaker are worn out, try connecting external speakers through the aux or RCA outputs. For vintage models, check the horn or acoustic chamber for obstructions. Modern models may need speaker wire connections tightened. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.